Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a Google Meet link. First of all, open up your preferred browser and search for Google Meet. After that, click on the very first site of your web page and you will be redirected to this page. Now, click on New Meeting and select Create a Meeting for Later. A new pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, you can copy your meeting link and send it to your students or colleagues. Now, click on New Meeting again and select Start an Instant Meeting, and your online meeting will be started. Now, go back to Home page and one more time, click on New Meeting. Here, select Schedule in Google Calendar, and you will be redirected to this calendar page. Here, you have different options for scheduling your meeting, like you can add description for your meeting, add location, or you can just set time for the meeting. After that, click on Does Not Repeat option, and here you will be able to select the schedule of your meeting. Like if you want to create meeting daily, then select daily, or if you want your meeting on specific day of week or month, you can also select it here according to your preference. Once you are done, click on Save, and your meeting will be scheduled for later. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.